Realistic or photographic concept art is a technique that, as the name suggests, tries to give a sense of realism to character creation. And it's done mostly through photo manipulation, taking elements of costume, clothing, texture, and fabric from various image sources and gluing them all together. If you're working on a film or TV pitch, maybe working in the fashion industry, looking to get an idea of how a future cosplay design might look, this technique is a style of concept art that stands out from the rest. Traditional illustration work is able to capture costume design, of course, but it's still going to be limited by its two-dimensionality. This technique pushes things to a place that is far more believable, giving clients the ability to have a better visual representation of the character or characters they want to bring to life. It's the type of style that requires not only a different approach to design, it also requires a certain level of patience and persistence. It's not a case of just layering in brushstrokes. We've got to learn how to manipulate photographic pieces and make them work for us. So this tutorial is going to cover the basic tools we'll be using in our software, some principles of art and design, how to search for the right images, what our thought process has to be, and finally, we'll cover a project I created from start to finish, bringing to life a 2D illustrated character into a 3D world. This is a technique that is going to take some time to develop. So if you're up for the challenge, let's get started.